Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm just showing you this French design that I did, like extending nail beds on my practice hand. So I'm just coming in there with CJP's Honey Pearl. Oh my god, it is stunning. The shimmer in it, this camera just does not do it justice. It is gorgeous. So I'm just placing the bead where I want my smile line to be and then blend it back so it's blended into the nail so I don't get no shadowing, and then shape the smile line. And I'm just going in there with my cuticle bead and just bringing that up to the first bead, blending it in with the first bead. And if I'm not happy, I'll just apply another bead so that my apex is in place. I can't speak today. So that my apex is in place. And just trying to keep that shape. I try and keep it as neat as I can with my brush. But it doesn't really matter because I'm going to go in with my file later. And once they're set and refine the smile line anyway. So I thought I'd upload a new video, an updated video, because my last reverse French video that I did, my arm kept getting in the way and it was just a disaster. So I thought I'd upload a new one with some longer stiletto nails and try and get a bit closer so you can really see what I'm doing. I'm hoping that this angle is better. Let me know what you think. So again, I'm just placing the smile line bead, patting and pressing it into place, and then applying my cuticle bead, bringing it up to the first bead and trying to keep that shape. Don't quote me on it, but I think I'm using my Liz Guild brush by CJP. If not, I will be using my big boy brush from CJP. I'm not sure which one I used in this video because I did it about a week ago now. Just not had time to voice over and upload, so I do apologise for that. I will try my best to get more content up on the channel. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you want to see that I've not done yet, that, I don't know, maybe you're struggling with, and if I can help I will. Just anything. Let me know. They're not perfect, but if I can help someone I will. So I'll just do this reverse French on 3 nails. Only just in shot there. I'm doing well here, aren't I? Goodness me. Also, when you're doing this, you need to make sure that your wall is high enough, like around the smile line, so that you can file it, because if it's not, you'll keep slipping with your file, and when you put the white on, it won't be as neat and crisp as you want it to be, and yeah, it can cause a few problems. So just make sure that your wall's high enough. Don't worry if you go too thick, you can always file it down. It's not the end of the world, and CJP is so easy to file anyway. So yeah. I really enjoyed doing these actually. Not done reverse French since the last video I uploaded of reverse French. So I had a client request this set, so I thought I'll give it a go on my practice hand before she comes. I thought I'll film it for you guys. So I don't know if you saw there, but I was looking at the wall and seeing if it was high enough. It was a little bit low on that side, so just applied a little bit more acrylic so that it was high enough for me to file. Now I'm just coming in on this finger and creating an ombre. So the white I'm using is also CJP, but this one is coconut milk. Oh, it is a dream to work with. Like, as you know, if you're an acrylic tech, white is a nightmare to work with. I still need to work on getting my ratio right with this powder because I've never used it before. This was my first time, so that's why it's a bit runny in places. But honestly, it's a dream to work with. It's not sticky. It's just amazing. Then I'm coming in with that honey pearl again and just placing the bead at the blend and then feathering the front of the bead down. So I don't bring all the product down the nail, just the front of it. So it's not covering the whole white. It's just blending nicely, I think. I'm just coming in with a bit more of that coconut milk and blending it up because I felt like I went too far down with the honey pearl. So now I'm just coming in with my file, as I said earlier, and I'm just refining the smile line, or the nail bed, or whatever you want to call it. As always, in shot, you know me. Luckily I noticed and brought it back. And pulled it away again. You get the gist of what I'm doing from the other nails anyway, but I thought I'll just leave it all in for you so you can just see what I'm doing. I'm just taking away all the excess dust. Checking the walls. I'm just showing you the thickness there. How thick they should be. Or how thick I feel like they should be anyway. And then I'm coming in on the free edge with coconut milk again. I mean, as you can see when I've placed it, sorry about the mess in my brush, I'm just still trying to get used to the ratio, but as you can see when I've placed it, it is a bit of a softer white, but once the set's complete you can't even tell. Oh my god, my ratio here is awful. It's like running everywhere. Sorry about that, guys. Good job I did practice before I did my clients. It weren't like that on my client, but I think my room was quite cold as well, so that could be why it was running everywhere. So yeah, when you're placing your beads at the free edge and stuff, make sure you go right up into those wings. That's what I was doing there. And don't worry if it goes over onto your nail bed colour, because you're going to file them all crisp anyway. You will see that when I go in with my e-file later on the little finger, I do take off a bit too much, but I do replace it, so. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not the neatest when I'm doing this. I'm just plonking it on. When I'm on a client, I do try and keep it neat, but the faces when you do this, oh, it's hilarious. They look at you like, what are you doing? And then when you reveal the smile line, the look of relief. It's quite funny. I don't understand why I was working so wet with this white. I wasn't working this wet with honey pearl. It wasn't running everywhere. And again, as ever, in shots. I am getting a new like mat coming that I can stick my flexi hand to, so it will stay in the same place, so I'm not moving it around and pulling it with me. So my videos in future will be in shot. Fingers crossed anyway. So just allowed that to set. I have paused, like took that timing out because I didn't think you want to sit and look at the hand for 20 minutes while it's set. Obviously if you were doing a client, you'd be doing the other hand and then come back and they'd be set. So this glitter I'm going in with is Rainbow Shards from Sparkle Splash UK. It is stunning. It's iridescent little shards. They are so cute and they go different over different colours. And when the light hits them, they just reflect beautifully. The camera doesn't do it justice as usual. So I'm just going over and capping that glitter into place. I do love this glitter. I'll leave links in the description box as usual where I get everything from, and any discount codes that I have will also be in the description box. So I'm just going in here. I'm using my e-file with a fine bit. As you can see there, I did file away a bit too much there on that side wall, but don't worry about it. I'm trying to cover it with my finger there, can you see? No, I'm joking. But yeah, I'm just trying to file off the mess I made to reveal those nice crisp smile lines. So I've left like the majority of my filing in because I don't usually, and I thought it'd be nice to just change it up a bit and leave it in for once. I was quite proud of this set actually because they are quite extended nail beds. Nice competition style smile lines. I think they went okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So I've obviously filed into shape and buffed off camera. I did that little bit of extra white that I took off earlier on that little finger, and now I'm just going in with my top coat. I'm top coating all the nails. Look at that glitter. So pretty. And the shimmer in Honey Pearl is just unreal. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you feel like it. It would really help, and I'd really appreciate it. So this is what the finished set looked like, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for joining me. Bye.